And accused in Renukaswamy murder case, Darshan Tugudeepa has been granted bail by the Karnataka High Court. The Karnataka High Court has also granted bail to Darshan and Pavitra Gowda. The actor was on interim bail on medical grounds and had sought extension while also seeking regular bail. And all the 7 accused have now been granted bail. A conditional bail has been granted. A bond has also been signed. And the verdict was delivered by a single judge bench headed by Justice Vishwajit Shetty. So now, amid the interim bail that has been given to accused Darshan, the Karnataka High Court has also granted him a regular bail, and this bail was granted to him and Pavitra Gowda along with 5 others by a single judge bench headed by Justice Vishwajit Shetty of the Karnataka High Court. So it's a relief for accused Darshan, but he will have to turn back at the jail after the bail ends. Now the bail has been granted to him on medical grounds because of the surgery that he had cited before the Karnataka High Court and before his legal team, which then made a submission before the court and secured the interim bail. Now what we get to understand is that a single judge bench has given bail to actor Darshan as well as Pavitra Gowda and 5 others. Remember, the actor was on interim bail on medical grounds and had also sought an extension. Twice his bail plea was quashed, was cancelled, but now finally the Karnataka High Court has granted him bail while also seeking a conditional bail signature on the bond that the court had presented to the actor and the 5 other accused who were embroiled in the Renukaswamy murder case. So, accused and actor Darshan has now been granted bail by the Karnataka High Court. This is the development that we are tracking at the moment with respect to the Renukaswamy murder case. And Pavitra Gowda is named as the accused number 1. Darshan has been named accused number 2, and there are a dozen of other accused as well in the case, but right now the single judge bench of the Karnataka High Court has granted bail to 7 accused including Darshan as well as Pavitra Gowda. The Karnataka High Court has granted bail, had granted interim bail to Darshan on medical grounds because of the surgery that he had cited. A spinal cord surgery is what he had cited before the court, and the court, taking into consideration his medical condition after examination by the doctors as well, had granted him a conditional bail. And now it seems like the Karnataka High Court has also granted him a regular bail in the Renukaswamy murder case. This is a big update coming in from Karnataka. Actor and murder accused Darshan has been granted bail. We have Srilakshmi joining us live from our Bengaluru newsroom. Srilakshmi, Darshan has secured a regular bail on certain conditions. What are those conditions put forth by the Karnataka High Court?
Well, Deepak, Karnataka High Court has granted bail for Darshan, and it's a huge...
Well, let's now cut across to the live visuals coming in from Hyderabad, where Allu Arjun was being taken out of the court. I believe these visuals are from